Miracle knots have become so popular right now because they're so easy to install and they look really good. Here's a full video of how I did the installation using the crochet method. So I used the Havana curls crochet hair. You can go for any type of curly hair that you like. I had installed these mini braids a week prior and I had to moisturize them first to ensure that my hair is protected before installing the crochet hair. I applied some hair food onto the crochet hair, a generous amount to prevent frizz because I was going to separate the hair into smaller sections. Then I cut the tips to ensure that the hair does not tangle while separating it. I was going for like 2 to 3 pieces of hair per braid. I installed the crochet hair onto my tips first by crocheting in the hair and then braiding it down a few times until it was well secured. Next, I installed the crochet hair onto the rest of the braid, like 2 more pieces per braid. So first I crocheted the hair in. So I crocheted in the hair and looped it twice. This method is great because it secures the hair in place and it's so hard for it to come off. This whole process took less than 2 hours, so it's that fast. After I was done with the installation, I trimmed the ends, applied some mousse, and this is how the hair turned out. The curls turned out really nice. And this is a low tension hairstyle, so I'm sure my hair will be okay. This is how the hair looks from the back, and these are some of the hairstyles that I tried out. I can highly recommend this hairstyle. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.